follows the Registrar, Dr. Ravi Manuja, and the honoured members of the academic procession. Dr. Manoj Kashyap, Dr. Kamal Kumar, Dr. Rakesh Chaudhary, Dr. Rajesh Sharma, Dr. Priyanka Verma, Dr. Shubh Sarup Jha, Professor Amir Abdullah, Dr. Deepak Singh Kushwaha, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kumar Tyagi, Professor Dr. Manju Sharma, Mr. Joydeep Datta, Dr. Suniti Sood, Dr. Sunil Sikka, Dr. Rajesh Arora, Dr. Pallavi Sharma, Dr. Lakshita Sharma, Professor Dr. S.B. Gupta, Professor Dr. Sujit Dalal, Dr. A.M. Jose, Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, Dr. G.K. Arora, Dr. Hemant Kumar Jha, Dr. Vidhi Bhargav, Dr. Sunita Sharma, Dr. Pooja Rana, Dr. Kamini Kanwar, C.K. Ashok Kumar, Professor Dr. Monica Arora, Dr. H.R.P. Yadav, Major General S.C. Jain. The Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. P.V. Sharma, is escorted by his flag bearer, Mr. Manjeet Nandal, from Amity School of Engineering and Technology. The Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Aseem Chauhan, is being escorted by his flag bearer, Mr. Nikhil Yadav, from Amity School of Engineering and Technology. He is accompanied by the recipients of honoris causa doctorate degree awardees, Shri Aditya Ghosh and Professor Dr. Subhash Gupta. The Honorable Founder President Sir's flag is being escorted by his flag bearer, Mr. Tanishq Chaudhary, from Amity School of Engineering and Technology. They are additionally followed by Professor Dr. Vikas Madhukar, Pro-Vice Chancellor AUH, Shri Abhay Chauhan, Ms. Mehtab Chauhan, Shri Ajit Chauhan, Shri Amol Chauhan, Mrs. Divya Chauhan, and Shri Ajay Chauhan.
I request